Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you had to start from scratch? Maybe you lost a job, your business didn't take off, or you just hit a rough patch in life. I've been there too, and let me tell you, starting from zero is tough. But it's also an opportunity. If I had to start from zero again today, here's exactly what I would do to rebuild, step by step, to get back on my feet. Step 1. Focus on mindset first. The first thing I would do is focus on mindset. When you're starting from nothing, your mindset is your greatest asset. It's easy to get discouraged, feel like you're behind, or wonder if you'll ever catch up, but the truth is, your mindset can make all the difference. I'd spend the first few days or weeks shifting my focus from scarcity to abundance, from fear to confidence, because a positive mindset would push me forward, no matter what happened next. Step 2. Leverage free online resources with zero in my bank account. The next step would be to leverage free resources. We live in an age where information is free and accessible. From YouTube to free courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy, there's no excuse not to learn. I take full advantage of free learning resources to pick up new skills or improve existing ones. Whether it's learning about digital marketing, coding, copywriting, or even personal finance, I would invest time in self-education. I'd use every free resource at my disposal to build a foundation for future success. Step 3. Offer services before products. If I had no money to invest, I would start by offering services, not products. Selling a service is the fastest way to generate income with minimal upfront investment. I'd figure out what I'm good at, whether it's writing, design, social media management, or virtual assistants, and offer my services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even social media. The key here is to start small, take on easy projects, and build a reputation. Once I have a few clients and some reviews, I can increase my rates and expand my services. Step 4. Build an online presence. No money required, even with zero. One of the best things I can do is build an online presence. Having a presence on LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube is completely free and can help me connect with potential clients or employers. I spend time creating valuable content that showcases my expertise, whether that's writing helpful blog posts, sharing tips on social media, or uploading videos on YouTube. By doing this, I'd position myself as an authority in my field, even if I have nothing but my knowledge and skills to offer at first. Step 5. Network. Next, I'd tap into the power of networking. In a world where everything is interconnected, your network can be the fastest path to opportunities. I'd reach out to friends, family, and colleagues to let them know I'm looking for work or freelance gigs. I'd also engage with online communities, attend free webinars, and connect with people in my industry. By offering help, being proactive, and staying open to new connections, I'd build a solid network that could provide leads, advice, and even referrals. Step 6. Focus on one thing and master it. The next step would be to focus on one skill and master it. But rather than trying to be a jack of all trades, I'd focus on one area where I can stand out. At this point, I'd have a few services I could offer. Whether it's graphic design, content writing, SEO, or web development, I'd dedicate my energy to becoming an expert in that field. Mastering one skill makes you more valuable and increases your chances of landing higher-paying clients in the long run. Step 7. Reinvest into myself. With some income coming in, the next thing I do is reinvest in myself and put it into things that will help me scale, like advertising, courses, or business tools that will help me grow my income over time. Whether it's upgrading my skills, getting better tools, or hiring a mentor, reinvesting the money I earn is crucial for long-term growth. I'd start saving a portion of my earnings, no matter how small. The takeaway: and staying focused on one skill, you'll be able to rebuild and create something sustainable, even from scratch. Starting from zero isn't the end of the world. In fact, it's a chance to build from the ground up with nothing but your skills, mindset, and the resources available to you. The key is to start small, take action, and focus on self-improvement. By leveraging free resources, offering services, building an online presence, networking. Here's the takeaway: if I had to start from zero again, I would use mindset, free resources, networking, and offering services as my foundation, and I would keep reinvesting in myself to ensure I'm always growing and adapting. Starting from zero doesn't mean starting from nothing. It means starting fresh with a clear, actionable plan.